Hey, it's Faye. Wanna know the real way of getting glass skin? Well, you come to the right place. No tea, no shade. The first and only thing you have to do is get a piece of saran wrap like this and wrap your entire face. Make sure to poke holes for breathing purposes. There you go. You'll be a walking piece of glass, and no one can say otherwise. Am I right or am I right? This is the right and only way of getting that shiny, glossy skin. You're welcome. Tag me in your photos. Thanks. Juices, drink my juices. I can't breathe. Okay, so all jokes aside, today I'm going to show you how you can wake up with glass skin using only 3 products. Keep in mind, my skin is still acne prone, so not to rub it in, but this is acne friendly. Product 1, a toner. This is my current toner. This one is from Silka Glam. I'll make sure to link all these products and some alternative similar products that cost even less, but still effective. Second product, a mist. My friend Ivan introduced me to this mist and I love it. It contains amazing ingredients that are straight out from our daily nutrients. Again, I'm gonna hook you up in the down bar. Third product, moisturizer. Oh my god, I've never fallen in love so much with a moisturizer, and when I say you have to get this magic in a jar, you have to. I swear to you, you won't regret this. I'm serious. I'm a very serious woman, okay? Here's a sad Faye. I don't know what she gonna do. Step 1, tone. Tone your skin to clear your pores. Oh yeah, and ignore that I have glasses on, I cannot see, okay? Taking a cotton pad and some toner, swipe this on your face to get rid of any debris that the bare eye cannot see. This is optional, but for them big pores, take more toner on 2 cotton pads and soak it. The cotton pads in American drugstores are different from the ones in Korea, but if you flip your cotton pad to the back side, it has a similar texture to the ones in Korea, which I prefer. So use that back side after soaking and stick it on the areas with your larger pores. After 10 minutes, take it off and you're ready for step 2. Step 2. This glass skin requires moisture, so you're gonna mist your face just to bring some life back. Remember, the order of skincare is always liquids to creams, thin to thick. Mist your face just to slightly hydrate it and let it settle in before moving on. Step 3. This is the part that matters the most for this glass skincare tutorial. Snail Cream. I cannot stress how amazing the consistency of this cream is. Once you try this, you'll never run back to your regular moisturizer. If it's anything you want to try, please get this product. Don't be greedy, be generous with this. Dab this cream all over, including your neck, and blend it in. Your skin's gonna drink this up. It's gonna overdose on it, but it's a good thing. Don't forget to get in the corner of your ears. So many people don't moisturize this area and it bugs me, okay? Even though I used a lot of this moisturizer, as you can tell, this cream does not feel sticky. It actually dries off and leaves a really nice feeling on your skin, unlike most moisturizers where you feel sticky and humid and as if you're suffocated. Nope, not with this one. That's why I love it. Lastly, you don't have to do this, but I like to spray one more layer of that mist all over my face, including my neck and honestly my chest, aka just all over my body. But I'm trying to keep this PG, you know? This is my glass skin the following morning. Remember when I kept showing my dewy skin in the morning on Snapchat and you wanted a tutorial? Well, this is it. Real life glass skincare tutorial. What do you think? Would you try this out yourself? That's it for this quick acne friendly simple skincare to get you that glassy, glossy, flossy, saucy skin. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick little tutorials like this, and if you find it helpful, please like this video for your girl. Alrighty, until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.